Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi kids, welcome back again with me, Miss Dewi. Well, now we enter the math chapter 7. This is about the multiplication and division in our year 3, solving world problem. In this chapter, train you to think and digest the question before you can answer. So based on the question, you can decide whether you need to do multiplication or division. Okay, let's take a look together. One step word problem. This is about the multiplication. First, Diana has 442 stamps. Intan has twice as many stamps as Diana. The question is, how many stamps does Intan have? So let's take a look. How many Diana have? Yes, 442 stamps. Now it mentioned Intan has twice as many as Diana. Twice means 2 times. So this is Intan. 2 times of Diana. It means 2 times 442 or 442 plus 442. So 1 means stand for 442, so 2 stands for 2 times 442. So how many stamps does Intan have? 2 times 442, it is 884. So Intan has 884 stamps. So pay attention, if they mention twice, it means 2 times. If they say third, it means 3 times. Okay, let's take a look. Next, still about the multiplication. One step word problem. Look at this Effie. Effie sells 290 flowers and Ratna sells 3 times the number of Effie sells. The question is, how many flowers does Ratna sells? Let's digest it. How many flowers Effie has? Yes, 290. What about Ratna? Yes, Ratna has 3 times Effie. It means 3 times 290. So let's count it. Like one box stands for 290 of flowers. So 3 box stands for 3 times 290 flowers. So let's do the multiplication. 3 times 290. The result is 870. So Ratna sells 170 flowers. That's how to do. Now next. It mentioned last we talk about the multiplication, but this is the 2 steps. So you need to do 2 steps to answer the question. It mentioned first, David sells 270 cakes in the morning. On the same morning, Rian sells double the number of cakes David sells. So remember, double means 2 times. So twice doubles mean 2 times. So now the first question, how many cake does Ryan sell? Let's answer this one first. So double means 2 times. So as the same as twice. Now David, how many David sells? 273. What about Ryan? Yes, Ryan sells double. It means 2 times 273. So Ryan sells 2 times 273. It means 546 cake. Now the second question, how many cake do they sell all together? All together means you need to do the addition. So they ask how many cake do they sell? How many cake do David and Rian sell? So you should add the number of David sells 273 and the one that Rian sells 546. So the cake they sell all together is 273 plus 546 equals to 890. 19. So they sells 819 cakes all together. Get it? That's next. Now we talk about division. One step word problem. A farmer harvests the banana at his orchard. It's total 875. And then he packs them equally to 5 boxes. And then the question, how many banana does he pack in each box? Remember, if you find the clue equally, he packs them equally, he divide them equally, he share them equally. When you find the words equally, usually that's the key for division. So what should you do is the total number of banana that farmer has, divide equally with 5 boxes. So this is the banana, and then he divide into 1, 2, 3. So what should we do is we divide the total number of 175 into 5. So the result is 175. So he packs 175 banana in each boxes. Okay, now let's move into the division 2-step words problem. Look at Yenny. Yenny has 795 grams of flour. She used 145 grams of it to make biscuit. And then she packed the remaining flour into 5 equal packets. And then the first question, how much flour is left? Let's answer this. So this is the total number of flour that Yenny has, and then he used 145 of it. So the remaining flour is the total number minus 145. So to get the remaining flour, we need to minus 795 with 145. So that is 650 grams of flour left. Got it? And then the next question is, what is the mass of each packet flour? So the second information we got, she packed the remaining flour into 5 equal packets. So what is the how many is the remaining flour? Yes, 116. Pack into 5 equal packets means, remember, equals, share equally. It means the clue for division. So you need to divide the flour left, 650 grams, into 5. So 650 grams divided into 5, it is 130. So the mass of each packet of flour is 130 grams. Very well. Now let's move on again. Thank you very much for your attention. Happy learning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.